What does heavy gauge plastic mean? We talk about that a lot. You see us on LinkedIn, you see us out on YouTube. Heavy gauge plastic is thermoplastic that starts out at 40 thousandths and goes up to 750 thousandths of an inch thick. 3/4 of an inch thick plastic we form, 48 inches deep. We form the thickest thermoplastics of anybody in the country, and that is all vacuum formed, pressure formed, or twin sheet formed. And we sell into automotive, we sell into aerospace, we sell into the dunnage market, we sell into food and beverage, a lot of ice machine parts. Many industries, we make covers for gas pumps. So almost unlimited uses for these thermoform parts. You can have thermoform parts that are UV resistant, that are out in the sun for 20 years and they don't sunburn, they don't crack. You can have parts like in one of our videos that we just shot at the Denver show where we're beating it up with a hammer, we're jumping on it. TPO, it's what the bumper out of your car or your truck is made out of. We work with that material. We work with polycarbonate, which is very high temperature. We work with an ABS. We sell to the markets where they do air conditioning and heating. So very, very diverse markets. If you've got a need for a part like this, or you think you might have a need for a part like this, give us a call. And better still, our designers can help you get that to market in a very short period of time.
At C&K, the process is simple. We mold it, we cut it, and then we ship it.
Thermoforming is lighter with low